There's something I need to be sorry for, and it's the fact that I beat the entire game off camera. Yeah, I kind of pulled a match on y'all. You know what? To make up for it, I'm just gonna... Seriously, I can't believe that the mic somehow got muted. I don't even know how it got muted. So, I'm just gonna do a voiceover that's from the editing. Here we go. Gamatoto joined an a cappella group at a friend's wedding. Yeah, it's really random. Okay. Gamatoto broke a world record with a teacup in one hand. How is that hard? That's not hard. Alright. XB. Gamatoto discovered a lost city after losing a title fight. What? What? Okay. Kevin went all in on a bet during a job interview. What? This is so stupid. These are just so stupid, bro. These are... Gamatoto couldn't sleep while enduring intense pain. I mean, yeah. Kevin was rejected during final exams. No! Alright, XP. More XP. More XP. More XP. Bert was reborn on a boat to Singapore. Bert got XP. Gamatoto was reported to the police in the name of science. Why, though? Why would that happen? Okay, cat food. Gamatoto thought you only live once after gaining mutant powers. Okay. Gamatoto stole a pen with a car salesman. XP. XP. Kevin had just about enough during a double typhoon. I had enough of the typhoon. Gamatoto lost their house key at the Tree of Legend. What? Kevin tore up a love letter in the woman's locker room. Kevin tried to look dangerous at an abandoned hospital. Kevin made a fool of themselves during a beautiful sunset. What? Bert joined a secret society during a part-time job? What? What? Okay. Alright, XB. Bert nearly died of shame after winning the Iditarod. What is the Iditarod? Gamatoto got chased by the KGB with a feisty old guy. Kevin made a bad investment while in the bath. Oh my god. Kevin made a bad investment. Kevin celebrated their birthday at his retirement party. Gamatoto stepped in something gross in Beverly Hills. I thought I sent him to Dusty Desert. Bert had their identities stolen at football team tryouts. No. Kevin bought a puppy in a bug-infested jungle. Oh no. That's not good. Kevin kept picking their nose after dueling with a Vajira. Gamatoto was put under house arrest at a Broadway show. And then Gamatoto finally returned. Alright. I've got a lot of XP, so I think I should, go and spend it. Actually, first, let's, open capsules. Alright. Ooh, Titan Cat. Nice. Let me just use that real quick. I upgraded him a lot. He's mythical now. We got it. Alright, efficiency. That's also good. That makes more. Another Titan Cat. Cat energy. That's also good. Tank Cat. I don't know. Maybe. I'm gonna change it to XP. Research. Nice. Let me just get that. Alright. Okay, that's all my cat tickets. We're gonna do rare cat tickets now. I have 10 of them. And I'm hoping that I'm gonna get an uber rare. Okay. Bishop Cat. Nice. Alright. Yeah, sure, of course. Alright. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Wow. Alright. It's a little laggy. Alright, Pirate Cat. Nice. Strong against red enemies. Let's see. Alright. We got 8 more. 8 left. Gonna open another one. Swordsman Cat. The reason I'm just guessing the names of their I've already recorded this. This is a voiceover because the goddamn audio got cut out for no reason. I just don't know why. But we're not gonna let that bother me. So let's just open more cat capsules. To be honest. So like yo, uber rare. Just kidding, I already know. Man, this ruins the fun of the reactions. It's just kind of not fun because I already know that happened. Whatever. Just open the last 5 capsules. Wheel Cat. Alright. We've got Wheel Cat. Got tired of changing wheels, so he decided to turn a wheel. Yeah, that's basically what he did. Tin Cat. Tin Cat. It's funny Tin Cat. It's the funny Tin Cat. What else we got? Another hip hop cat. I'm gonna change that into XP. Whoa, that was a lot. Alright.
What else we get?
And that was the freshman cat. Whatever he's called. Freshman cat jobs.
Freshman cat jobs.
Yeah.
When like at the study.
It's kind of laggy right now.
What's that?
Witch
Is
cat.
that witch cat? Is that a witch cat?
Witch cat.
Okay.
Alright.
Might slow red enemy.
We finished all of the cat capsules.
Let's see. We're gonna.
Let me go
take a look at these.
Take a look at them cat guide because I guess 5 cat food.
And more.
Did you guys know that by the time I'm recording this voiceover, I actually have like 1,000
all
cat
of these
food, but in the this video I have like only like under 200.
Okay, might need then the dojo. Okay, super rares.
Got hip hop cat.
By the way, I got this.
This is nymph cat, by the way. Some rude hero dropped his axes right in her pond. No time for little bugs, no matter how handsome they are. They might be. Long range area attacks. Yeah, this one is cool. It's a pretty good one. Yeah, freshman cat jobs. Little smart Alec who aced his entrance exams for Nyarvard. Nyarvard U. They replaced Harvard with Nyarvard. Wait, I don't know what he's supposed to do.
Oh, he's not good,
against
metal
every
enemies,
single type except for metal.
Red.
Red,
floating, black, angel, aliens, zombies.
But the problem is he's just so slow. He hits people with a keyboard. What the hell? The problem with freshman cat jobs is that he's probably the slowest cat unit ever.
Graveyard.
So yeah,
or whatever she was called. There she is.
We've got Gray Flower Verbena, which is just undead. And when we evolve her into level 10, she'll actually be like an actual bride. Verbena the Bride. That's her evolution. Alright. You can read this for yourself. And that's what she does.
Did you
She just takes some skeleton hands out of the ground. Alright, let's start now. From where we left off. Where did we leave off? Where have we left off yesterday? No, not yesterday, last episode. Wait, actually, I need to equip Verbena.
I'm really.
Alright. She's an Uber, so she has to cost a lot. Like, skipping Get Wildcat out of here.
Just be your game off camera. I'm really sorry about that.
Bro, it's so freaking boring recording this voiceover.
Last time we just finished
I'm dying inside.
Philippines.
Alright. Last time we left off, we finished Philippines, so now we're gonna do Japan.
I'm gonna try Graveyard Verbena.
Alright.
By the way, I
Change the battle
where I have
formation.
to wipe up.
Oh, you just do this. This is better. You don't have
Alright, meet you.
You don't have to switch to, like... You don't have to, like, flick the screen up or down or whatever. So, yeah. To be honest, the game is really
it would have been easier
because... I don't know, I just kind of don't like recording this game because it's just so easy to play the game off camera and you'll just miss a lot of progress. And I don't like it.
It's like it says
We've got Verbena over here though.
Ninja Cat, right?
She's a little bit
Ninja
slower
Cat's
than
faster.
Ninja Cat.
Ninja Cat is way fast. It's
Just a little bit slower.
let's see. Let's see this happen. Oh. Seriously, she didn't even hit the. Oh yeah, I forgot there was a hippo. I freaking hate the hippos,
hippo
man.
came out.
It just looks so stupid.
Hit him with a beam and just destroy him. Just destroy him. Yep, and he's dead.
And he's dead.
And he's dead. Dude, I feel so tired. Like, I'm about to fall asleep any second. I went to sleep at 2 a.m. and then woke up at 9 a.m. So I just feel so tired. Just feel so... I forgot to upgrade Verbena.
Quick.
So...
Wait, have enough?
Yep. Oh.
Oh hell nah, bro! I just wasted all
13,000 XP. Jeez. There's Pirate Cat, Whale Cat, Bishop Cat, Swordsman Cat, and Tin Cat, which is good against black enemies. Not being racist. Hip Hop Cat, and also Freshman Cat jobs. I'm gonna upgrade this guy. Even though he's slow as hell. I didn't know this because I still didn't test him out. I didn't know this at the time. I didn't know he was just so slow. Like, bro, walk faster.
Giraffe Cat.
Just put him over here.
And move.
Put Gunslinger over here. I like Gunslinger. He turned into Cat Eastwood. Alright, let's do Australia, mate. Let's do Australia now. Alright. Let's see what the Freshman Cat jobs really does. Yeah, he's kind of a pain. Like, dude, look how slow he's moving. Compared to Ninja Cat. Like, dude, look at Ninja Cat just mowing them. It's just mowing them like crazy. He's even slower than Tank Cat. Dude, this guy. Slower than Titan Cat. He's probably even... Like, dude, look how slow he is. We're gonna win by the time he's a third of the way done. Like, dude, what the hell? Singapore. Let's do this. Let's do Singapore. Alright. This level has caused me nightmares because I just try to grind treasures, and this level just never gave me the superior one. It just never gave me the superior treasure. I'm just gonna wait for this guy to get. Imagine trying to beat the game with only one slot, and you're forced to use freshman cat jobs. Yeah, it's not gonna be a matter of skill or time or like timing. It's about patience. He's so slow. Look at him. He's even slower than Verbena. Dude, what is wrong with this guy? What's making him move so slowly? Why is he moving so slowly? She's just carrying. She be carrying though. The cat jobs. The freshman cat is halfway done. Halfway through to the base. Oh my god, he is almost there. He's almost there. Oh my god, they got critical hit. Okay, they got a critical hit to the face. Boom, boom, boom. It's not really that strong at the moment, but it'll get stronger when we evolve her. I wish she has a lot of health. Hello, noober. Up. We're done with that, and he is still not there. Anyways, we are done. Let's just look. I'm just gonna show you how slow the freshman cat is. I'm just gonna send him out, and I'm just gonna wait for him. I'm actually gonna wait. This is a waste of time.
Boy, this is gonna be so
It's gonna take him
fun.
like so long. Bro, he's just so slow.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh my god.
It's just
Finally,
it's just a
saw
keyboard,
what
bro.
He does. Like,
it's just a
this
keyboard.
is like the slowest cat ever. Why?
Just
Look at
walk
this cat.
faster. Look,
Or this
look.
cat. Or this
Look
cat.
at the speed comparison.
Like, bro,
all
what
of
the
these
hell,
things
man?
are faster.
Just move fast.
Is freshman
It's not
cat
that
job
hard.
like the slowest cat?
I'm gonna beat the. Well,
He's even slower than
Monico is
Monico.
faster.
What the hell?
Dude, I can't believe it.
You only get 144
This
XP
sucks.
because I've straight up milked
Anyways,
this.
Where were we?
Milked this level dry.
Maldives.
Anyways, Maldives.
Let's do
Just
this.
do Maldives and then
I'm just gonna
end the video
this
there.
level like, I literally spent the entire video trying to see what.
Same
I'm just
strategy.
gonna call him Study
Just
Cat because that's
meat shield.
what he looks like
Literally
in the upgrade.
beat this level with
in
meat
the
shields.
base upgrades. Anyways, I just spent the entire video cat capsules and trying to see. The music just changed.
Oh, red pig.
Okay, bro.
We need more ninjas.
Wanna be like that?
Actually, we got
Should.
more.
I got ninja cats.
Yep, and
I got a
it's
lot
dead.
of ninja cats, and you're already dead.
Done. Alright.
Bye bye.
And
Bye bye,
this
Maldives.
level is over. Alright.
Looks like
I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for
Decent
watching.
Uber.
Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video if all goes well. I just suddenly started uploading less and less frequently. I just feel like it's a bad thing. But you know what? Everyone needs to take their time, you know.
Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.